Welcome to the Cooking General here. Man, got my magic hammer today, man. We finna nail this one home. Now, I'm starting my niece was telling me to start my, holiday video. It's gonna be a dressing recipe. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a pork dressing. Now, I got other dressings on the channel too. Y'all wanna check them out. But I thought y'all might really wanna see this here because it's kind of a unique dressing recipe, and you know what I'm saying, but based on pork. But if you got high blood pressure, hey, it might not be for you. But like I said, I got other ones on the channel you can watch. And man, before the end of this video, y'all gonna be knocking out the pork too. Y'all stay tuned. Cooking General, man. Hey, I'm using my magic hammer this time. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. This is another one of my dressing traditions I usually do. Now, I usually do beef dressing, rice dressing, seafood dressing, turkey dressing, chicken dressing. And I got all those videos on this channel. You can check them out if you want to do something different. But this is my pork dressing. This is my version of it. Now, I got this here pork roast here, and see, I like this one here because it's got the bone in it, and that's what I'm gonna make my broth out. Because you can't find no pork broth or pork stock in the store, at least not around here. So I'm gonna make my own. Now, I'm also gonna do me some of this here fresh pork sausage, because I wanna put that in a skillet and I'm gonna fry that up, because I want my dressing kind of even out with pork flavor in it. You know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna eat all this here, just for me. So anyway, I got 2 packs cornbread mix, and I'm gonna use my milk, my eggs, and my butter. I'm gonna make my cornbread. Then I'm gonna season my pork roast down and boil it with my onions and bell pepper, and that's gonna give me my broth. I'm also gonna use in some cream of celery, some cream of mushrooms, some tonics, some black pepper, and some garlic salt. Now, this is our early holiday. In case y'all want to do it, my niece told me, say do it a little bit early, so if people want to make it, they can. Now, you can also add, subtract. I ain't no cook. I just teach basics. I ain't no chef. You want to add your sage, whatever you want to put in your dressing, go ahead and do it. Hey, I'm just teaching basics. Cooking General. Ask somebody. As you can see right here, I can't find no pork broth. Chicken broth, chicken stock, beef broth, okay. Let's see what I'm saying? So let's Cooking General show you how to make your own pork broth. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. I'm not gonna be powering through this video here, man. We can spend a little time talking together. Now, this pork roast here is, I just took it and I put my tonics on it, and I put some black pepper, put my garlic salt on it, and I got it boiling and cut my onions and bell pepper up in there. And then I'm gonna go let it cook. I'm gonna just let it cook till it get tender, so I can almost pull it off the bone because I'm using it in my dressing. So that's one of the first steps I start. Now, I'm gonna start mixing my cornbread up and going to get that ready too, and then I'm gonna also start browning my ground pork too. Now, to save a little time, I'm gonna give y'all a little quick tip. You know what I'm saying? But you can't forget you done this. Now, I'm gonna go ahead because I'm gonna put some boiled eggs off in there. I'm gonna cut some up into my dressing. So I'm gonna just drop them off in here, let them boil, and they'll come out just as perfect. Now, just don't forget you got them in there. Cooking General. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. You see here I got my ground pork sausage, kind of, getting it browned out so I can set it to the side for later on. And it already got a little season in it, and that's why I say I don't really tell people how much season to add, because I just know how to adjust. I've been doing it all my life, so I know how to adjust, and best advice I can give you is just taste your food. You know what you like, you know how much you need in there. Just taste it as you go, and you'll never have to worry about it being over seasoned or over salted or whatever. I had to even adjust this here. So, and it'll come out just right, and I got to go and mix my cornbread up, my gladiola. I know y'all thinking, what I'm saying, you always use that, why not using Jiffy? There's nothing really wrong with Jiffy. I just know I'm old-fashioned. I like a more coarser cornbread. Jiffy got that little sweet taste to it. I just don't like that when I'm doing my dressing, and, but some people swear by it. My mother, she would use Jiffy, but, like they say, choosing mothers choose Jiff. But choosing generals choose gladiola. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. You can see I got my cornbread already whipped up, and it's ready to go. Now, what you want to do, especially if you're like me, get you one of these aluminum pans. That way you ain't got to worry about washing dishes. And you just put some butter off in there. You melt the butter down, spread it against the walls. That way your cornbread won't stick when you get ready to make your dressing and come on out easy. And that will be just a perfect. And just wait till it gets golden brown. And just go by the direction on the box. It'll tell you exactly how you do that there. So now, I won't recommend this here now if you got high blood pressure. Now, pork dressing is, or if you got gout or something like that there, this might not be one for you. Check out my beef dressing recipe. I got it on the channel. Just check it out. Hey, this might not be for you. But that's what we're doing today, cooking general. Ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. Now, I got me a little butter here. I'm just going to saute me a few onions and bell pepper. Like I said, I'm only using 2 packs, so I'm not going to really do much vegetables in it. So I'm adding a lot of other stuff to it. And then, you know, my broth's going to have onion bell pepper flavor in it anyway. So I'm just going to saute me a few vegetables up. Oh, man, I'm getting this here done. You know, I probably won't even do nothing for the holidays this year. I probably won't. Most likely, I'll probably just go to my son's house and let them. Oh, wait a minute, God, dog, that means daughter-in-law gonna be cooking, and man, I don't need everybody cooking. Oh shit, they watch these videos. Hold, ask somebody. Alrighty, welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see, I got my cornbread golden brown, and it's ready to go. Now, I've been noticing some of y'all been rocking with my channel for a long time. I mean, even when I first got started, you know what I'm saying, doing this here, and I'm surprised, you know, because there's a lot of people out there, man. You go to their channel, boy, you can go down to the description. They'll put what they put in there. They'll have the whole recipe for you and all that. That's professional. Hey, but I just teach basic. You know, hey, if you learn it, you learn it. You don't, I mean, they got people to teach you. All I can do is basics, you know. So thank y'all for rocking with me, y'all who been sticking with me for a while. Cooking General, ask somebody. All right, welcome back to the Cooking General. As you can see, I got my cream of mushroom, cream of celery. Got my little onions and bell pepper in there. Got my pork meat there, cornbread there. I'm gonna mix all this up. Now, I did say my broth. That's my broth that I'm gonna use, that I boiled my pork in. As you can see, that it is tender. Look at that. See that? Look how tender that is. And see the bone just came on off of there. And I'm gonna put that in here too. I'm gonna mix it up and we're finna bake it. Cooking General, ask somebody. Alrighty, there we go. We got it mixed up. I'm finna mix the eggs in there. I'm finna put it in my pan. Oven set for 400. And we're gonna bake it and come back. I'm gonna show you how it looks so we can conclude this video. Alrighty, there you go. Nice and golden brown. And that's just how I like it. You know, I want that golden brown on the outside and it's still moist. Look at that, still moist on the inside. That's how you want it, just like that. And it's got that pork in there. That is good. Now, hey, like I said, you can change some things. You can add what you want to add. Hey, but this is a pork dressing, and man, I use that broth to it. Man, I'm finna go. I should have got me some cranberry sauce, and I should have made me a gravy. I still might do that there. Alrighty, man, let me go find my magic hammer and get out of here. Cooking General, ask somebody.